All right, gold homies. We know that we were an hourly uptrend yesterday. We talked about that, and we managed to maintain that trend. And guess what? Pretty much exactly what we talked about happened. We set a higher low, and slowly but surely, we were heading toward that 4-hour trendline resistance. Now, we can see it didn't really act like a resistance, but we're going to check that in more detail in a minute. But what matters is we're watching the hourly uptrend. We set that higher low, we get a higher high, and then catalyst. We shot right up. So let's go check out the 15-minute time frame, see what that looked like, what it looked like if you were actually trading it. Here's our move. Here's our break of our key level. Let's check that out. Little bit of oscillation there, and then we just rocket ship, come back down, get that perfect back test of that line. That's exactly what we want to see, and then we see continuation to the upside. So you had to react quickly, but as always, there's two entries, often two entries when you get these situations. You break your trend line, your first entry is in the break of that level. Your second, more conservative entry is when you come back down, get that pullback, have that former resistance act as support, and then continue on. Those are the ones I like, but, you know, two opportunities. If you miss the first one, you can look for the second one, and 70% of the time, I'm making that number up, but 70% of the time, you're going to get that pullback opportunity. So what is going to happen on the hourly time frame? Looks like we're setting up not a bull flag per se. Yeah, no, I don't think it's a bull flag, but I would be looking for an hourly equilibrium here. I'd like to see set a lower high, a higher low, tighten that range up because the market is still indecisive. It's not really sure what it's going to be doing. And this big move was definitely driven by the overall market taking that dip, but there was some bull pressure in the last little bit of the day. So we'll see what's going to happen tomorrow. Check out Dan's video on the overall market if you have any questions or you want to learn more about that. But for this guy, I'm looking for a continuation pattern. I want to see some more consolidation. RSI is still very hot at 68. Setting up an hourly EQ will let that cool off and give us an opportunity to find some key levels and look for potential breaks. If we break to the upside, well, no real resistance until, well, our high. We got some resistance here at 1288.988 and then nothing to almost 1300. If we break down, we still have that trend line that's acted as support again. And we will see what happens if and when we get there. That's it.